True to its name, the Heart of Ohio Trail lies in the central part of the state, extending from Mount Vernon to the next Delaware County line. Okay, another beautiful day. We're about ready to start the Heart of Ohio Trail. It's 17 miles long, and we're at the Mount Vernon trailhead. It's part of the Ohio to Erie Trail. The Heart of Ohio Trail begins at the beautifully restored Cleveland, Akron, and Columbus Railroad Depot, which dates back to 1907. The Ohio to Erie Trail, a 326-mile trail network that spans the state of Ohio. Mount Vernon is also home of Ariel Foundation Park. This is once the site of a glass manufacturing plant, and the 250-acre park houses unique sculptures and interesting things to see and do. The Rastin Observation Tower. "280 feet high. 224 steps. I think I'm not doing it." The Observation Tower is a steel spiral staircase that coils around PPG's industrial smokestack built in 1951. The River of Glass pays homage to the park's rich glassmaking heritage, and particularly to PPG Works No. 11, which was one of the largest window glass manufacturing plants in the world. The Heart of Ohio Trail follows the path of the former Pennsylvania Railroad's Panhandle line. The railway was initially constructed in the late 19th century to connect Pittsburgh to Chicago. It played a vital role in transporting goods and people across the region. We just almost got run down by the only biker on the trail.
But we made it through.
The trail is perfect for cyclists of all skill levels. The terrain is mostly flat, making it easy to ride for beginners and families with kids. But don't be fooled by the gentle inclines. The trail offers breathtaking views and endless opportunities to explore the surrounding nature. So the Heart of Ohio Trail, which is a section of the Ohio to Erie Trail, is paved, flat, lots of trees and shady. You're kind of in the wilderness for most of it. So if you want to get something to eat, you got to get it at the front end. This monument marks the highest point along the entire Ohio to Erie Trail at 1,285 feet. Here we are at what's the center point of the Ohio to Erie Trail. I guess it's called Centerburg. Somebody's invested some money in brand new pavement down here. Well worth the end of this ride, and coming up to where the trail meets the next section of the Ohio to Erie Trail, known as the Meredith State Road Trail. We hope to see you again on our next adventure.